Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can remove or add payment methods on Amazon. It's really simple, so let's get started. So once you're on Amazon's homepage, what you're gonna wanna do is go over on accounts and lists on the top right corner of your screen and click on it, or under your account, the account button. Once you've done that, you have on the left side of your screen ordering and shopping preferences, and your second option is your payments. You should click on that, and it's gonna ask for your details once again. Once you've entered your details and you are on this page, you should have a list with your current cards with a remove button. Um, Select whichever card that you want to remove and click remove, and you're gonna have it removed from your account. And in order to add a new payment method, you should scroll down, and as you can see, you have multiple options like credit or debit cards, and you can click add a credit or debit card, and then enter the details of your card, or personal checking accounts, EBT card account information, and even more. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Cheers.